Good morning, beautiful souls. I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed day. So yeah, I just went out and I picked some dandelions because I'm going to dry them out and use them in my spell work. I'm going to a mystical shop later today. I gotta get some more sage and some Paleo Santos, and probably a few other things. So yeah. Um, I've done 2 spells today, and I went out to a friend's house last night and did a couple spells out there. Uh, yeah, it was awesome. She lives in the country area, so it was nice to get out there and relax and do some spells together. Do you guys want to see my 2 little new monsters I've got? The one is named Minx and the other one is Magic. Okay. So this is Magic. Can you say hi, Magic? Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Oh, and there's my Minx. He's eager to say hi. Can you say hi, Minx? Minx, can you say hi? Hey, can you say hi? Say hi. You were just saying hi. Anyways, guys, that's my 2 new little monsters, Minx and Magic. Magic is the one that has been having issues with his food. But, oh, he's trying to meow. Aw, you trying to talk there, Magic? Hey. Hi. Hey, you want to say hi? Do you want to, do you want to say hi? Do you, Magic? Come on, baby. Say hi. He tries to talk. Sometimes he can let out really loud meows, and then other times there's nothing that comes out. The vet said he's just trying to find his voice because he's so young. But yeah. You guys see what I mean about Magic looking identical to Moon? I can show you Moon. Just one sec. And there's my Moon, identical to Magic. Moon, look at me. She's got like major attitude lately. Like most of the time she will not allow me to pet her. I don't know what went wrong. But she growls and hisses and swats at me most of the time. I don't know why. I try to show her love, but she's not having it. Moon, Magic, and Minx are brothers and sister. I think Moon and Minx are half brother and sister, and I think Moon and Magic are full brother and sister. Yeah. But anyways, they are brother and sister, so that's why Magic looks identical to Moon. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to come on and say hi and show you the 2 new kittens and show you the resemblance of Magic and Moon. But anyways, guys, until next time, bye.